Stock investing probably isn't for everybody. Many times people are better served by mutual funds and ETFs, but the reality is that for investors who have the right scale, a sizable portfolio, there are a lot of benefits when people can invest in individual securities. Among them are reduced cost and potentially the opportunity for better performance over time. We think that it's complicated. Investing is not easy, particularly when you're buying individual stocks. It's not only just what to buy, but when to sell. And it's important that people approach this with a thoughtful, process-driven approach. It's also important that you, most times when we run into investors who have had some long-held stocks, it's not always diversified the way they might want it to be to manage risk. So it becomes important to approach things with a thoughtful process approach. And, that's why oftentimes people look for help in the process with a professional manager.
There are two really important things to consider when building a portfolio. The first is diversification. It ultimately limits your risk and doesn't change your ultimate reward. The second is valuation versus price. You want to buy companies at a good price or even a discount to their intrinsic value. There are different ways of valuing stocks, but ultimately it's the most important part of long-term outperformance. Some stocks are slow-growing stocks that might pay a big dividend. These can be an important, valuable anchor to the portfolio. Other stocks are faster-growing stocks. We're expecting them to maybe double operating profits every 3 to 5 years, and they have a position in the portfolio. Ultimately, the two different kinds of stocks are going to be valued differently, and they both have a position in the portfolio, along with different kind of asset plays that could be a good investment. Cyclical stocks could be a good investment at certain times. So we want to not only have diversification through different sectors and different industries, but we also want to have diversification on the different types of stocks and the different types of value.
Well, it's important to remember that everyone's situation is different, and it's important to approach investing as one part of a broader context. The financial plan and the picture of your story and making sure that your situation is being planned for according to your needs. Let us help you with your financial plan, and in the process, we can evaluate your portfolio or your situation for whether you should use individual securities, mutual funds, or ETFs, whatever's the best fit for your needs. If you'd like to have a complimentary consultation, we'd be happy to have that opportunity to meet with you. The best way to reach us is either by phone at 508-771-8900, or you can reach us on the web at amrfinancial.com.